Hi, I'm Travis and welcome to my closet. Today I get to unbox my very first Kate Spade. So let's get right into it. This is Kate Spade, New York. Don't need that anymore. Alright, let's tear into this. That is a beautiful product. This is the Kate Spade Sylvia Geo Birds. It's a domed crossbody with a deep, beautiful, let's see, you can see it the best here, a deep, beautiful burgundy for the trim, and just these eye-popping colors with all the birds. Now, let's see, let's pull the tag out wherever it may be. The tag says Sylvia in the English version, but it's spelled a little bit different in Latin, and in Latin it's pronounced basically the same way. However, it stands for woods and forest, and I think that is very fitting for this crossbody. It has just these absolutely gorgeous little birds everywhere, and the burgundy with how deep it is gives me the feeling that it's kind of woodsy. We'll go with woodsy. So let's see. Oh, that's nice. And I'm sorry if I take extra time reviewing this, because I've never been able to have hands-on on a Kate Spade. I mean, this alone, the thickness and its quality, as soon as you touch it, you can feel that quality in there. And it doesn't leave fingerprints. So this is really exciting. Here's the crossbody strap, which it looks like it can be adjusted to about, right now it's on its mid setting, and I would say it probably goes down to maybe 20 to, we'll say 26, 28 inches on the strap. I'll hold it back here so you can see. Nothing too remarkable about the strap to comment on. It doesn't have any ridges or beveled edges or multicolors. Well, it kind of does. There, if you can see, there's a darker edge. You're not going to be adjusting this much once you get it set up, so I'd never really complain about the difficulty of adjusting it, and I won't go over that because, like I said, once you find your size, it's going to stay there, most likely. On the back here, we have a pocket, which I almost missed when I was at the store the other day because it's a little hard to get into. But you've got a really nice, big, deep pocket with the beautiful Kate Spade logo in there. And this is large enough to carry a rather large phone, or keys, or anything that you don't want to be unzipping it to get to. So you can have it zipped on your body. This is going to be against your body, so other people can't, reach in there real quick. But you can easily pop this open and get whatever you want out. And see how deep that is. Let's see. On my hand, that is about that deep. It's about the full depth of the bag itself, and it has a nice strong magnet. Inside of the purse itself, we have, stuffing. And do not eat. Okay. I'm going to try to open it up. It has a really big opening, and you can really get into it. It's kind of like if you squeeze it on the sides, you can you can really get in there and get some stuff in there. But what I'm going to try to do is fold this front down a little so you can get an idea. Take care. I'll read that later. But what I'm trying to do is fold it down some so you can see that beautiful interior. They continued that burgundy in almost the same color. It's a little lighter, and since this is a satin, it's just going to appear lighter. You have the Kate Spade sewn on patch or emblem, whatever you want to call it. Right here, there's a pocket. This is just a slide pocket. It's not really that deep. You can see here my fingers. They are going about finger depth. So it's not the deepest pocket. It's also not too wide. They could have probably given it some more berth in there, but that's just maybe 4 inches, 4.5 tops. All right, without ruining my beautiful new bag, we'll stop folding it. Okay, that is all we have for the inside of this bag. It's a pretty simple one. It doesn't go to great lengths to have, well, I'm sorry, I'm trying to bring up my notes, but at the same time, some bags just cram too much on the inside. There'll be a little tether with a clip so you can clip your keys. Well, how many people use that? I mean, we like our keys to be handy, so that clip takes up room. And then you got a zipper pocket up here in the front, and that takes up room. So this is actually refreshing, that you just get a big cavernous area to put your stuff in. Now I wanted to go over the dimensions of the bag. Because it's a domed bag, you lose a lot of verticality. It is 7 inches high at its peak, but about 4 at its lowest point. The reason why I mentioned that is whatever wallet you're going to want to put in here, if it's one of those elongated wallets, it's going to have to be pretty short, and at that point you're really losing a lot of your valuable space. It is 8 inches wide, so it's pretty atypical. It's not a tiny crossbody, and it's a nice size, but it only has 3 inches in width on the bottom here. That's enough for some daily use. It's not going to be good for if you're traveling or if you're going to the beach for the day, but just shopping at an outlet or something, this is a great bag. I grabbed a couple of wallets. This is one of my Louis Vuittons, and we can see here about how much room it would take up. It's thin now because there's nothing in it, but a bifold placed in there will take up that much room. So you're really limited on it. I've done a review in the past, and I encourage you to go check it out, on Coach's slim ID card cases. One such as this. They come in many different patterns, both male and female, and they have 6 card slots and a little slot here for some money or what have you. But what's nice about this is, see the size difference here. And a crossbody domed this size, it's a lot easier to carry this around. This actually would be great for the back pocket. The one we spoke of earlier, you could just drop that in there, and then wherever you're going and you need to pay or pull out your wallet for whatever reason, you have real quick access to it. And that magnet, I mean, that magnet's real strong. It's not going to get lost or anything. So just for the sake of trying, let's see if a bigger bifold will fit in this outside pocket. So I'm going to put it in there. Yeah, you know what? I was expecting failure, but that fits very well. This is a very versatile pocket right here. You could have a decent sized item put in there and not ever have to open up the bag itself unless you're trying to get to your other items. I've got to hand it to Kate Spade. For my first product from them, this is extremely beautiful. Now, me personally, I don't carry crossbodies like this, but I'm going to try it on and give you an example of what it would look like. So give me 1 second while I adjust the camera. This could probably be lowered another degree or two. Well, no, I take it back. You can still easily get to your pockets. You can sling it a little further back if you're getting something out of the car, or you could just have it here cute right in front so everybody can see that you not only have a Kate Spade, but a fun personality, colorful, happy, and beautiful. All right, well, I'm Travis, and thanks for joining me in my closet. Bye.